Hello guys, in this video we will create a SSH key for GitHub. First, we need to go to the SSH directory. The following command generates an RSA SSH key pair with a key length of 4096 bits and attaches my email as comment to the key. I named the key ROS2. As we can see in the SSH folder, a new key with the name ROS2 was created. I start the SSH agent and configure the shell environment for SSH authentication, allowing SSH to use the agent for managing keys securely. The ssh add command is used to add private keys to the SSH agent. The last step is to add the key to the GitHub profile. You need to open the .pub file with a text editor and copy the whole key. You need to go to the settings on GitHub and select the SSH and GPG keys menu. There you can add your SSH key with a name. I clone a random repository from GitHub to test if the key is working by cloning the repository using my newly created SSH key. All seems good. That's it for this video. Subscribe for more and leave a like if this video was helpful. Don't miss out on the ROS2 tutorial series.